Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to guide you and introduce a tool that helps us scan these groups, scan Facebook groups by keywords so we can find groups related to the field or industry we're doing business in and want to reach customers. So to reach those kind of groups, we use the mCrate software. Here, this is the interface of the software. To scan groups by keyword, here we have the group scanning function. Next, we select the group ID scanning section, and here is the interface for scanning group IDs. First, we click on the account section. Click on the account you want to scan, then press save. Next, select the scanning interval from 10 to 15 seconds. Also switch accounts every time you scan 200 groups. Next, there are 3 scanning modes. 1 is by keyword, 2 is by personal page, and 3 is by location. So I will choose to scan by keyword. Next, add your keywords here. For example, if I'm working in real estate, I'll enter real estate as the keyword here. Then press save. Next, set up the number of groups you want to scan. Here, you can choose to have no limit on the number of groups you scan. You can set it to 100, 200, or even 1,000 different groups. Here, I will quickly scan 100 groups. The next step is to set up the minimum number of members per group. I'll set it to 1,000 people. Next, click on the groups that do not moderate posts. Then select the public groups. After we've finished setting up, just click start. The tool will have us scan for groups that match the keyword. That's it. Once the scan is complete, the tool will return a list of groups that match the keywords related to your industry and field, so you can reach your target customers. It's very quick, that's it. There are a lot of groups here, and you can see the number of members, the post approval status, and the type of group. That's it. It's really fast. We can scan thousands of different groups by keyword. So in the previous video, I guided and introduced everyone to a tool that helps you scan for groups on Facebook by industry or field, so you can post advertisements and reach out to customers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it to motivate me to make more videos. Thank you all for watching.